What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here. We've got a Hot Wheels case unboxing. This will be the GameStop exclusive case. So let me go ahead and get in here and get the case out real quick. Looking forward to the GameStop exclusives in here, and also looking forward to the rest of them. I hear it's going to be B case, 2021 B case is going to be mixed up in here. So let's go ahead and okay. So here we go. Looking forward to this one, and let me try to get into this. Okay. Nice. Okay. So this is gonna be 36 car half case. So let's get into it. Pull out the first three. So there's the regular Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Looking good. B. We got Aeropod. That one's kind of cool. And we got the 70 Dodge Charger. Cool. Next three. Well, actually, I just pulled out. I want more than three, but we'll stick to these right here. Okay, so this one is one of the exclusive GameStop recolors. Big Air, Bel Air. Looking good. Okay. Next, art car, the ADL Camino. Good. Next, Buns of Steel. Seen that one a few times. Alright, here we go. Next three. Volvo. B. Okay, we got the Road Bandit, another art car. And here we go, another exclusive recolor for GameStop, the Porsche Safari. Good. Alright, next three. Ooh, this one's cool. Quick Bite. New Year 2021. Holiday Racers. That one's nice. We got Warp Speeder. Glow in the dark. Well, glow. I assume it's glow in the dark. So, nice. Next up, Retroactive. Another good looking ride. Next three coming up. Here's another exclusive recolor for GameStop. The Ford Mustang Shelby GT. Love Mustang, favorite car. So good to get that one. Here we go. 96 Porsche. I like the little bottom, the detail on the bottom there. The nice coloring on the bottom. Next, T-Rex Troyer. Another cool one. Bottom, like the blue. Okay, next three coming out. We got my favorite GameStop exclusive coming here. So glad to get this one. We got, pull it out and show it. This is beautiful right here. This is my favorite one. 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. That's my favorite recolor. Gonna keep that one on top there. We got another Aeropod. We got the Dodge van, new for 2021. So that's looking good. Next few coming out here. Oh, here we go. We got my two favorites here lined up together. Already seen them, so we'll just show them off and put both of them on top again. And here we go. We got the Star Wars Screen Time. Good looking. Next three out, we're gonna get another one of the Big Air Bel Air exclusives. The GameStop recolor. We got the Nash. The Dream Garage, new for 2021. Cool. Next, Tanknator. That one's pretty nice. Coming up, we got three more coming up. Okay. Cool. Quad Rod. Like this one. Excellent. Next, Volkswagen Baja Bug. Good looking. And this one definitely looks good. 64 Corvette Stingray. Hot Wheels Race Day. Next three coming out, we got another really good looking one here. The 2016 Ford GT Race. We got speed graphics. Probably my favorite race car that I've seen in a while. We got the Ninja Turtle from Screen Time Party Wagon. Cool. And we're gonna get another recolor of the Porsche 914 Safari. Getting down to the end here, we're gonna get, let's see, Formula Solar. Good looking ride. We got this Lamborghini here. We got another truck here. The Dodge Power Wagon. And last three, we're gonna get the Ford Transit Connect. Good looking. tuned twin mill, new for 2021. And then last one up is going to be another beautiful Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Definitely beautiful. So there's the case, and this will bring up these two are my favorite from the case, the GameStop Exclusive recolors. This one is my favorite easily, and then the Mustang second. So thank you guys for watching. We got the pile of them here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.